company is starting a new division, selling larger, high-dollar amount B2B services, and Maria Johnsen's book lays out a very solid selling system. While it does seem to be modeled on lower-priced items, the principles still apply to do what we want to do. I definitely recommend The Surprising Truth About Sales.
Eh bien, je travaille au département des ventes, je possède aussi ma propre entreprise en ligne. J'ai lu le livre de Maria Johnsen et j'ai pu mettre en œuvre certaines de ses tactiques de vente. Elle a donné d'excellents conseils dans son livre et je le recommande aux petites entreprises.
I've been looking for a good book on sales for many years. When I came across Maria Johnsen's book, I found that a process that it would keep me from having to wing it when I get in front of a customer. They don't appreciate when salespeople are winging it, and I was king. So now I found out that from her process, I'm able to tailor it to my picker sales style. My customers appreciate it, and it's a sequential process that is now getting great results. The Surprising Truth About Sales is a great book.